Alright, so we are going to go ahead and get rear muffler bypass done on the 86 928. When I say get it done, it's already done. I forgot to record this yesterday when I did this, so here we are now. Anyway, yeah, in the garage. Sounds pretty good. Fired it up, just pulled it in out of the garage so far. Haven't taken it for a ride yet. Tomorrow it'll go for a ride to get some new tires put on that are in the back of it right now, so I get to see how it sounds then, but I think it sounds a lot nicer now. I can actually hear the motor. Before, driving around, all you really heard is the air from the discus fan, but we'll see how she sounds. So, the other 86 car came with, there's this one here, came with a rear muffler bypass on it. And the exhaust on it was all cut up. Someone stole the cats off of it. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to borrow this one for now and use it on the blue car. I already took off one of the bolts, so we'll see if we can't get that other one off. If you're wondering, am I standing in poison ivy? The answer to that is yes. Hey, that came off. We're going to try some Brasso on here. Stuff looks nasty. A little bit of shine to it there, better than over here. Oh. So, this is by no means perfect, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did out there. Still some rusty spots on it, but those are on the bottom, and probably about here out is all that you're going to see. Alright, we'll try to do a little before and after here, so we'll go start it up now. I mentioned the last time I dropped an exhaust off the back of a car with my charger, and I hit myself in the mouth with a resonator and broke a tooth. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. Alright. Loosen these clamps to start with, I guess. Loosening, not removing yet. See, I don't think I'm going to get lucky and be able just to take these off the rubber. I think I'm going to have to unbolt them. Yeah, that sucker's tight. Same thing, just loosen in, not anything yet. Here. Again, if I can do this without hitting myself in the mouth with a muffler, I'm going to consider this a win today. Alright, theoretically this thing is no longer attached to the car. Anything besides. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh. That is a big honking muffler. It sounds like it. Ah, that looks like a chunk of a catalytic converter in it. I wonder if those cats have disintegrated. So we'll see if one of them will fall out. So I'm pretty sure this is definitely a piece of a catalytic converter. So let me come there and melted there. But that won't stop things today. I'm surprised they made it all the way back, because there's more mufflers under there. It made it through those ones into here. So this guy's got, you know, that little bolt that attaches to the hanger up there. Okay, this has a little rod. That's where it's going to bolt up there. I don't think that one will get used. So we might see what we can come up with there. Or maybe it'll just fit in the hanger. Who knows? If we kind of hold this in like these, what? Where does this put us? Puts us actually right by that hanger. We might be able just to fish it through the rubber, and that'll hold it up there. Alright, so when I bought this car, I bug bombed the garage with it in it. So it was full of spiders, so hopefully there ain't no one home in there. Looks kind of old, but yeah, lovely. This might just hang through there. Now, granted, it's probably not the best, but I think it'll do for now. So if that hangs there, and we get our, I think these are called flanged adapters. I forget what the name for those are. Again, sure someone will yell at me for calling it the wrong thing. Whoop. Let's go ahead. See what's this one. Let's get. Hopefully that'll kind of hold that in place.
through it. We'll lube up the threads a little bit because this bolt's kind of crusty. Whoop, got excited. We can get on just snug right now to keep us put. Right. See, this would be where a second set of hands would be great. We'd have to enlist some help later if this doesn't line up right. Can't. Oh. This might work. Hopefully this thing clamping down will draw the little flange piece to the pipes a little better. And we'll call that Guten tight. We'll call that tight. That's how she looks now, which actually sits there relatively well. Right, well, so far I'd call this a success. There haven't been any injuries yet. Let's see how